I grew up knowing that, you got to go to a 4-year degree if you want to have any chance in succeeding. I went and I was looking for a bachelor's degree, and then got tired of school, being in ungodly amounts of debt due to student loans. Once you come out of a 4-year college, you still don't have any experience, right? I changed my career path. First, I joined the United States Marine Corps Reservist. Started doing that. And once I came back from boot camp and all my training, I started working here at Kamtek. Started in the press department. When this job became available, I decided to apply for it. Basically, I did the apprenticeship program to have something behind me, under my belt, so I can move forward, move further in this company. They'll send you to school, they'll give you all the tools that you need. So here, you'll get 2 to 4 years of experience that you need while going to school. I would say it's great for the colleges to have these partnerships, because some students that are coming in as freshmen, or this is their first time on their own, so they really don't know, which way to go. So with these partnerships, there's a lot to learn between machining and hands-on skills. Just kind of pick up as much as you can throughout the program so you can become that ideal tool and die maker.